This is the 2014 annual RCI Thai gathering, and we've got some tactical training going on. Today's commission is over here, and about 100 cops from all over Phuket Prefecture. Things are going really well. Wakim is leading the knife work. Two Horns running an FCG trainer course over there, and the police are.
The first main point is to gain and maintain a position of advantage. So get in a good position and maintain that position. We're going to demonstrate that now. Okay, also the second thing is to shorten the response time. Okay, from when there's action, when there's a problem, to me solving that problem, I need to make that time very, very short. Okay, so again, see it. Come at me. I'm here. Knife! Drop the weapon! Drop the weapon! Get back! Get back! Drop the weapon! Get back! Don't look at me! Turn around! Turn around! Take your hat off! Communication doesn't stop with your team. Communication is to your team. Communication is to your suspect. Communication is to everybody in the area. You're getting a gun out. So let them know. Get back! You know? Let them know that this is a high-risk situation. They see you with a gun. Oh, okay. You don't want them running in front of you. You don't want them getting shot. Move, move, move! Get down, get down, get down! Get down!
He's down! He's down!
Shoot it down! Get him in! Get him in! Get him back! Come on! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Move! 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 Come on! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Cover me! Cover me! Cover me! Cover me! Cover!